Yo, what's going on, mobile gamers? Glad to have you back. If this is your first time here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming hacks, guides, and updates. Today, I'm showing you an easy hack method to grab unlimited coins in Match Factory. No PC needed, no sketchy downloads, and absolutely zero rooting or jailbreaking involved. I've tried it myself, the resources landed in my account super fast. I'll break it down step-by-step guide, so let's jump right in. Alright, first thing you need is your player ID from Match Factory. This step's important, don't skip it. Just launch the game, tap on your profile settings, and there you'll see a code made up of numbers and letters. That's your unique ID. Jot it down somewhere or snap a screenshot so you've got it ready. All set? Awesome. Let's move on. Now, grab your phone, open up your browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever, and head over to the site I'm using today. It's packed with tools for tons of mobile games and works great. Just search for Match Factory on the site and tap on the generator when it pops up. So far, so good, right? On the generator page, there's a quick form to fill in. Choose whether you're on iOS or Android, then paste the player ID you just copied. Double-check everything's correct, then hit the Proceed button. The tool will hook into your account in just a few seconds. Don't worry, the connection's totally secure and protected with encryption. Once you're linked up, it's time to pick how much resources you want. Choose the amount that works for you and press Proceed. The tool will get to work behind the scenes, connecting servers, scrambling data, all that techie stuff. Just give it a little time to process. Hang tight, we're almost done. Before the resources get delivered to your account, there's a quick verification step to go through. This helps stop bots from overloading the tool. It's easy. Usually, you'll just need to download a free app from the App Store or Play Store and follow a small instruction. Could be opening the app or clicking around a bit. Nothing complicated. They even have tutorials if you need a hand. Once you finish, you're good to go. And just like that, the resources should be in your account. I've already gone through this myself, and as you can see, it definitely works. No more grinding or spending real money, just more time having fun. And there you have it, the full method to get unlimited coins in Match Factory. If this helped you out, leave a like and share it with your crew. Got any issues or questions? Drop them in the comments. I check them often and I'll do my best to help. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on future game guides and tricks. Thanks for watching, enjoy the grind-free gaming, and I'll catch you in the next gaming tutorial.